Hi, this is Alan Richards, and I'm out here in the lovely sunny weather that we've got today. Now, I've got a quick question for you. Are you a published author? And if you are, is your book selling as many copies as you want it to? Well, whether it is or it isn't, would you like to sell more? Would you like to discover how to sell more? You see, the thing is, friend and colleague of mine, Jeff Herring, on Wednesday is running a masterclass that will tell you how you can sell more copies of your book via better promotion. He's sharing how to use a little known tool called Medium that you can use effectively to promote your book. Not only that, but he'll show you how you can actually get paid while you're promoting your book. So that's on Wednesday, Masterclass with Jeff Herring. Just sign up below with the link and I'll see you there. Cheers for now.